Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel and happy new year 2023, a year of divine favor, upliftment, more laughter, more joy, more love and all. I can't wait. So let's get back to the video and relax and watch this video. Putting our spices together. Here we have paprika, some curry, sorry, buttery poultry bread. I love this spice. Okay, this is my secret ingredient. Very flavorful. It has this creamy texture, very yummy. Into your food, it is delicious. Basil, some pepper, for this we're going to blend them together into a paste. Add some water if necessary. Add some water. Here is our chicken, thoroughly washed. Now you mix all the spices together, pour it inside and mix it up, massage it thoroughly with your hands, because all these ingredients, they need to permeate inside the meat. You cover it up and put it into your fridge to marinate for a couple of hours. You can leave it for 2 hours, you can leave it for 6 hours, you can equally leave it overnight, because the longer the better. This meat needs to taste good, the chicken needs to taste good. Okay guys, now let's cover it all tight up and put it in the fridge. Okay guys, this is the following day. Now we're going to put the chicken into the pot and let it boil for some time before we start frying it. I personally love it that way because I feel it is just, this is how I prefer doing it. I usually boil my protein before I start frying them. I don't just throw it into the air fryer or throw it into the oil to start frying like that without cooking it, like boiling it, letting it boil. So we're going to leave it and let it boil for like, when it is like 70 to 80% done, then we bring it out and put it in the air fryer. Okay guys, we just, oh my god, on this and cover it to cook. Let's check our meat. Bubbling, right? Okay, you can give it a flip.
Mommy, you're making the big turkey and the lamb.
It's chicken. Chicken.
I want the biggest chicken. No, not that one. No.
Then just go ahead and add a little bit of water because this one is beginning to burn.
open.
Okay, the pot is small.
Where's the red tin?
Yes, Lord. Please, the meat is still cooking.
But I don't like. Is it healthy for you?
Yeah, it is.
But
So I added a little bit of water because it was burning, so I didn't want that to burn. Spicy. It's spicy and you don't need any other things. If not, some olive oil. So here is our chicken. We're still transferring it from the pot. If you're still watching this video, thank you. Please kindly hit the subscribe button if you have not, and as well give this video a thumbs up, like it, and even share. Leave a comment, let us know where you're watching from so that we can thank you, and of course we know our families. Okay, go ahead and just do it. Thank you so much, guys. Putting it in this air fryer. So you leave it for 10 minutes on both sides at 350 until it is completely cooked. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so hot. Juicy. This Mama is a bit cocoa.